great ravine of ravenous pain. No more motion controls. You raise me up. Boom. Yay. Get out of here, Yuga Clan. No. Yuga Clan, it's time to stop. Aha, I'm finally close to Rito Village. There's the bird. Got it! Alright, see how I look. Ooh, that's good. Okay, time for a memory story. Time to remember everyone's favorite champion.
I can show you the world.
Time to go fast. Oh, gosh. Make it to the shrine, you... Run. Everybody is literally after me. I don't even want to look behind me. No, no, no. Stop! No, quit! What do you reckon? Heart container or stamina vessel? I'm going another heart container because we don't do stamina here. To destroy some target! Get him. I wonder how fast I can do this. One. I missed. Two. He's missing. I'm gonna run out of arrows. Got this. One more. Well, that took 50 seconds of my time. Oh, big fat bird. Oh. I got this. Missed. Alright, here I go. Back to doing this again. Oh my gosh, I almost got killed. I got this. Boom. Alright, let's go. I missed. Try this again. Alright, let's do this. Yes, everything's fine. I literally just destroyed these cannons. I'm good. Alright, yeah. Once again, I'm going to... Yeah, once again, I'm going to get the map and then just do all the terminals, but without you seeing it. Take them down! Did it. Alright, time to get the map. Some map. He's got a gun. I thought there wasn't supposed to be gun violence in this game. He's got a thick butt. I never knew Windblight Ganon has a thick butt. Alright. Straight off with the banger. Straight off with the banger, I guess. Ooh, 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 ooh. Alright. Fair enough. Okay, let's do this. It's so low. Okay, alright. A minute in and he's this low. Not so bad as I originally expected. Alright. Yeah, you don't have to tell me that. Ah, no. Ow. I think I just literally blew myself up. He needs to watch his blind spot. No, please. Alright. I got this. Alright. Yeah. I got this in the bag. Yeah. That one more hit. One more hit. That was easy. Okay. Time to re-see everyone's favorite champion.
You defeated him, eh? Who would have thought?
Everyone's favorite champion.
Well done. I suppose I should thank you now that my spirit is free. This returns Meadow back to its rightful owner.
Good.
Don't preen yourself just for doing your job.
Yeah,
I do suppose you've proven your value as a warrior.
everyone's favorite
A warrior
champion.
worthy of my unique ability. The sacred skill that I have dubbed Rivali's Gale.
Good. Does this mean he can't fly anymore? He's a wingless bird. I doubt that was much pain as everyone says about Windblight, cause I mean, if you don't count me blowing myself up, I almost flawlessed him. Everyone, thanks for watching the video. In the next video, up here, yeah, you see this place? It's volcano time.